Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. And if you guys like the vibe of this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. For this video, I will not have the bonus section, but I will love to talk a little bit about Japan. As a person who is born and raised here and my first language is Japanese as well, this country is so beautiful, and I think there's too much hype around Tokyo and Kyoto, but I'm telling you, there's so many other things to look around in this country. And to be completely honest, I'm not a big fan of Tokyo. I've been living here for around 7 years, but I'm only here for chasing the cheese, getting the bag. I'm not really into this city anyways, and I feel like Tokyo is not the real Japan. This country has so many beautiful places to look around, enjoy, and explore. Whenever you visit here, please just explore not only Tokyo. Tokyo's cool, but you can take a bullet train and explore so many other beautiful places that actually need tourists to hang out, because you know it does generate a good amount of income for those city or places, countryside in Japan as well. Please explore. It's just such a waste of money just hanging around in Tokyo and not doing shit. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, and if you guys love the style of my channel, please hit the sub button. Anyway guys, I hope you guys have a great time, great day. My name is Peace Gates, and you guys already know. Peace out, guys.